Okay, we're in this area called Ocean Gardens, so we're just gonna walk down that way and then come back in a circle. I kind of show you what's in the Ocean Gardens along this main street right here. I might even give you the street if I see it as well. So stay tuned. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Here we are in Ocean Gardens. There's the hospital right there, and then this is kind of the entrance. We're near Magnolia Court, and then there's a kind of entrance into it. And then there's some, I think that's another little area too, these little white apartments up there. I drove up there recently in another video, so maybe you might have seen that. So now I'm down below. That was yesterday that I was up there, so it'll be dated at yesterday's date. But when I put up the videos, it could be different, right? The first thing we're gonna see is supermercado, supermarket, Sengchong. They got lots of food here. Something American gel, hand gel, Portuguese beef, liquor. So this is the stock room. So Ocean Garden Supermarket right there. And then here you got Cafe Ocean Corner. And then you still have all your apartments in the background as well, right? Let's just kind of take a look around here a little bit. So it's Ocean Corner. Let's just walk in a little bit. It's a little bit sunny, but at least you can get some context of everything from here. So this is Cotai Court. Different stuff, parking garages. That's interesting. Okay, so there's those houses in the background. So that's a whole road. It's a road up there that's quite high up there where those white houses are at. That's kind of a nice building right there too. That's kind of one of the main buildings. So I think we're gonna walk down there and then come back. So Ocean Gardens is kind of a large piece of property with a lot of different apartments in it. And they also have some commercial stuff as well, like we saw the supermarket and the cafe. And there's another supermarket directly ahead as well. Looks like to the left is just a parking lot. Yeah, it's one of those spaces that a developer created. Actually, there's apartments up there too. So they're actually all above us. But this main road has a parking lot. It's too bad they didn't put a bunch of commercial stuff here. They could rent it out to businesses and make it really cool. But it looks like they use it for a parking lot instead. But maybe in the future they could, you know, break down some of these walls and create some storefronts. I think it'd be nice. My own personal opinion anyways. Because yeah, you walk down the street, it's kind of boring. It's not so interesting. And it looks like, I think the storefronts, you know, if you don't have the storefronts here, then they have to walk, they have to drive. I guess the parking lots are so they can drive to another part and do their basic shopping somewhere else, but it would be nice if they could do it right here. Actually, those parking lots look kind of massive without, yeah, they could use that with retail instead, for sure. I should be a consultant for how to build things in the most, yeah, because that's just all pure profit. Like if the developer would have done that and they own all this land and then they rent out the apartments, they could rent out all this commercial space too. And they could still put the parking, cars could still park all over the place. There's like 3 layers of, I think this whole thing is just filled with parking lots all over the place, but not much real estate, not much commercial area for them. It takes forever to walk by this too, doesn't it? I was thinking I was going to walk down one way and then come back the other way, but because of this structure, look at that, there's hardly any cars even in there. All that wasted space. Anyways, now you can see more of Ocean Gardens more properly. Dang, it's already like 4 minutes in. But yeah, you have this, keeps on going all the way down. And then on the other side of there's mountains. So it's kind of a barrier. And then over on that side, there's yeah, they're building Bohemia. On the other side is ocean. So yeah, Ocean Gardens. So this is kind of a strip of land with all these China apartments. I think what we'll do is we'll go in a little bit. Okay, so those are probably parking lots, just tons and tons of parking for people that live here. Yeah, that could all be commercial real estate on the ground floor. They should definitely knock that out and redo that. Then this is paid parking. Looks like there's a lot of space in there too. And then you got your Correios, the Correio Rápido, the post office. It's quiet. Okay, so now we're gonna get in here a little bit more, and then you can see there's kind of layers and layers of this. This road is called Rua de Jardin, Street of the Garden. So we're just gonna walk, and you can also get up in there too. So we're just gonna walk in a little bit more. And I don't want it to be too long of a video, so but at least we can kind of show you the courtyard, and I think we can show you more parking lots, of course. What is that? I don't know. There's some playground areas. Yeah, this looks like it's like, oh, okay, so you can just keep going up and up. So I guess it's like wheelchair accessible. So instead of using the elevator, you have this giant structure that just kind of goes like around in a circle like that. Looks kind of cool. If you start from up there, probably be a lot of fun for kids to run all the way down. I don't know about going up though. Some fountain stuff. Okay, the fountains are turned off at the moment. It's dry. A little bit wet down there. Okay, so this is Ocean Gardens, and I don't want to do a video much longer than this, so but at least you can kind of see a little bit of what it looks like. It's pretty cool, actually. A lot of families come here, a lot of expats, definitely families. I think it's good for, because you want the car to move around the kids, right? So, and then over there it goes to the waterfront. Okay, I think we're just gonna end it right there.
Toma cuidado la